Hey everyone, and welcome back to Limitless Motion. This isn't just another fitness channel. Here, we believe that fitness should fit into your real life, not the other way around. It's all about progress, not perfection. It's about patience, and most importantly, it's about showing up for yourself, no matter who you are or where you're starting from. So let me ask you something. What if the smallest workout, the one you almost skipped, turned out to be the one that changed everything? Let me tell you about Mara. Mara had always struggled with consistency. You know the feeling, right? Every Monday, she'd promise herself, "This is the week." But by Wednesday, the excuses would creep in. Work was too busy, she was too tired, and that little voice in her head would whisper, "It's not like it's going to make a difference anyway." One morning, after another long night of overthinking and feeling stuck, she stood in front of her mirror, phone in hand, ready to scroll through endless workout videos she knew she'd never actually do. But then she stumbled upon a short 5-minute standing routine. No mat, no jumping, no equipment, just simple movement. She let out a sigh, thinking, 5 minutes isn't going to change my life. But something about this video felt different. It looked kind. It looked simple. It looked achievable. So, she hit play. The first few moves felt awkward. Her body was stiff, and her balance was a bit off. But as she twisted and reached, something started to click. She felt her breath steadying, her core engaging, and her posture starting to straighten up. And in that moment, she had a huge realization. The hardest part had never been the workout itself. It was the pressure she put on herself, the belief that she had to be perfect just to start. The next day, she did it again, and the next. Soon, those 5 minutes turned into 10. Then 10 became 20. The changes weren't just physical. Her mood lifted, her confidence grew, and the way she spoke to herself softened. Weeks later, a friend asked her, "How did you finally find the motivation?" Mara just smiled and said, "I stopped waiting for motivation to find me. I just moved." And here's the twist. The video that changed her life, the one that made her fall in love with taking care of her body, it was her own reflection in the mirror, replaying that first small moment when she finally, truly showed up for herself. Your body doesn't need perfection. It just needs you to move. If this story inspired you today, please give this video a like and comment below with one small step you took for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories that remind you that your strength begins the moment you decide to start. Thanks for being here.